also think that the sound of rain is so calming and soothing. Sometimes it's very important to pamper yourself. We all are stuck at home and just can't do anything about it. So I decided to pamper myself. Hi guys, this is Vidhi. Welcome to my self-care pamper routine. Just burning a candle because this just makes me happy. Then going ahead and removing my makeup. I hadn't applied a lot of makeup that day, so I just used my Cetaphil cleanser to remove my makeup. As much as I love applying makeup on my face, I also do enjoy removing my makeup and getting into my PJs. That is the most relaxing thing, and you just feel like now you're just done for the day. This is kind of my post makeup routine where I first use the cotton to remove my makeup and then I go in with the cleanser. I use the cleanser as my face wash. Now I'm done with that, so we are going to use a good mask on our face. And for a mask, I'm using this one by Plum Goodness and it has green tea in it. And as you just saw, look at the creamy texture. Even if this one has a creamy texture, it's very lightweight on your face. This particular face mask is very good for summers because it gives you a very cooling effect. Also, I do not apply a face mask every now and then. It was just a pamper routine. I just wanted to treat myself, hence, I went ahead and applied the mask. Otherwise, I just apply it once or twice a month, depending on my mood. And do not forget to apply it on your neck as well. I'm just going to apply it all over my face, and you can just enjoy the montage till then. Now it's time to pamper our lips, and this is the DIY lip scrub, which has sugar and honey in it. Apply this mixture on your lips and leave it for 10 minutes. And this is an extra step that I do. I take an old toothbrush and just scrub my entire lips with this because it exfoliates my lips and also removes the dead skin. Now I'm starting my shower routine, and for my hair, I've started using the shampoo by Herbal Essence. And just look at the texture, it's so creamy. And I know that a lot of people do not enjoy products that have fragrance, but this one literally smells like vanilla and coconut mixed together. And this lathers up so well, as you can see. First, I rinse my hair with some water, and then I like to go ahead with the shampoo. I have this habit of washing my hair before I wash my body. Let me know if you do the same in the comment section. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this coffee scrub to exfoliate my body before I start shaving. If you are a coffee lover, you are going to love this product. You can simply go ahead and use your hands to apply it all over your body and scrub your entire body. And this just does the job so well, and it exfoliates our entire body. So a lot of people like to exfoliate after they have done their shaving, but I like to do it before because I feel that it removes all the dead skin and that just comes out with the razor really easily. I just like to apply this product all over my body, and then now I'm going to go in with my very favorite product, which is the Venus razor, and I've been using this product for years now, and I don't think I'm going to change this product anytime soon. I like to go in very slowly and gently when I do my shaving because I do not want to hurt myself. It did happen once in the very beginning stage of when I started shaving that I did cut myself while doing it because I was in a hurry. But after that, I used to take care, and I do it very slowly. And now I'm just going to rinse my body, and now going in with this Biotique scrub. This one has papaya in it, and it has a very thick texture. I am just going to use my fingers and massage and scrub my nose so that the blackheads come out easily. Usually, I like to go ahead with a nose strip, but today I'm going to skip that step. And then I'm using this product by Khadi, and it smells like roses and honey mixed together. Also, I don't know why using a loofah is so much fun. Done with my shower, I'm going to apply a body lotion, and this one's by Bath and Body Works. Using a body lotion is important if you have shaved your body. Applying body mist and body lotions and things that have fragrance in it makes your body smell good for a longer time. now let's do some night care skincare routine. For moisturizer, using this one by Neutrogena, applying it very gently on my face. So when I'm applying a moisturizer, I like to slowly massage my face because that is the only time, I mean, this is the only skincare that I usually do. I do not do a lot of steps at night, so I like to massage my face to give it a very calming, soothing effect. And I've actually been reading a lot about skincare these days, and I've read so many articles, and they just say that it is so important to massage your face to help you with your fine lines and also for your blood circulation, and it does make your face glow. And I never forget applying a lip balm even during the night, and just applying this one. This one's by Clinique. I got it for free, and I've been loving this product. And then I like to go ahead and apply this body mist. This one's a Miniso. I did share it in my Miniso haul. Using my towel to dry my hair. I'm actually done with my shower routine, and now we are going to do a thing that a lot of people do as therapy, and that is cooking. So I'm just chopping a few vegetables, which I usually do not do. I only do it when I feel like doing it. Let's just agree with the fact that sometimes chopping vegetables can be fun too. It was raining so heavily, and whenever it rains, you just feel like having something very delicious. So that night, we went ahead and made paprika sauce with spinach rice. I will leave the recipe in the description box for you. It is an amazing recipe. The dish is amazing. You should definitely try it out, and it tastes so yummy, guys. Definitely check it out. Look at the colors of the dish. Then I like to go ahead and read a book before I go to sleep, and that was my night. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, do not forget to hit the bell icon to get a notification every time I post another video. Bye.